Hello Internet. MSI 4090 Gaming Trio came in for repair, and in case you're wondering if it has a cracked PCB, it does not. What it does have is shipping damage, because whoever sent this card to me for repair did not follow my packaging instructions. In any case, customer said card crashes, so let's see if we can crash the card. Interestingly enough, card did not post at all, so I plugged the cable into the motherboard so I get picture out of the CPU and ran the memory test. First test did not go through because not all 4090s were supported by the software at its release date, so I ran a test for 4080 since 4080s were released later, and I also ran a test for 4070 and both of them said we have a pass. And no wonder. On the second attempt to get the picture from the card, it posted, so I guess we have a fix.
I am the one.
Another incredible fix by Northwest Repair. Now remember, customer said it's crashing, so let's see if we can crash it. No more than 2 seconds in firmmark, GPU crashed, and my reputation of the greatest GPU repair technician ever lived crashed along with it. Okay, so let's take this thing apart, and as I am doing it, allow me to demonstrate how easy it is to remove this sticker. Scammers on the internet reapply these stickers to sell you a lie that no one had opened the card before and everything inside should be intact. But in reality, the core and memory are long gone, making your purchase a paperweight. For MSI, the easiest way to tell is to look at the fan connector. If it looks yellowish instead of bright white, that means that the board had been cooked on a preheater and the core and the memory are gone. Now back to this 4090. Why does this seemingly working card crashes like that? Who knows? There are roughly 2000 solder balls under the core, and 180 balls under each memory chip. One solder ball not making a good connection with either the balls or the balls is all it takes. And considering the fact that these
Balls you should not be grabbing.
are lead-free, this is going to be the most likely scenario here, so one way to fix this and prevent it from happening in the future is to make an educated guess, reball the core and memory chip, and see if balls helps. Okay, the reball is done. Let's check for resistances in the key areas to make sure we didn't create any short circuits. And I say we because you were part of it somehow. No shorts anywhere. Data connections verified. We are ready to power the board and observe a healthy 2 amps of current, which for this card is a norm. Now let's power it on and see if it posts. And it posted.
I am the one.
Now let's do something about that shipping damage no one asked for. I'll pull the end of the heatsink backward, and after trying to flatten the back plate with my hands, I was forced to bang it with the hammer. But in the end, I think it looks better than it was when it came in, so let's test this bad boy and conclude with this repair already. That's it for this 4090. Hopefully you've learned something today, and if so, please hit me with that like button, post a comment below, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye.